So today I am making Desmond's birthday cake. He's turning 14 tomorrow, super excited. And I'm gonna make him a pool cake because we're going to have a pool party. Crossing my fingers that it goes pretty quickly because I don't have to do any external frosting. I just have to put Kit Kats on it. I've seen that on Pinterest and hopefully it'll be easy. So stay tuned, let's see how this goes. So here's where I have to pause the video because I ran out of Kit Kats. Sent Joel to the store so he can pick up more so I can finish this cake. So far it's going pretty easy. The cake's normal time to bake and the frosting was super easy. Just made enough of it to frost it and crumb coat it. And as soon as he gets back, I'll continue adding on the Kit Kats and then I'll put on all the cute little decorations. So just waiting on him.
I don't know about your recipe, lady.
I've never made it.
I don't know about your recipe here.
Why?
Because it's not enough water.
Okay, that's the recipe that they wrote.
Oh, that's gonna look cool.
Just leave it. Don't touch it.
Well,
It'll flow out on its own.
yeah, it's flowing downhill.
Yeah? Or you can just gotta put more. It'll flow. Put more on top of it.
So I didn't finish Desmond's cake yesterday, so I am going to finish it today. It looks really good. The gel on it's just absolutely perfect. And the only thing I need to do is add on the bears. And I just took the gummy bears and I stuck them in a little gummy ring. And I'm just gonna stick them on top of here. Floating in the pool. But I think the piping gel looks really good. Looks like water to me. I think we'll put some down here. Oh, he's green. He can't go down there. There's the birthday boy! Happy birthday!
Thanks.
Woohoo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Desmond. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you missed one!
Guys,
Start over.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. We'll see you next time.